Hello, English teachers! Are you ready to power up your English class? Graphic organizers are a fantastic way to engage students and assess their learning throughout an activity. The KWLQ chart is a variation of the KWL graphic organizer that can be used for assessing students' prior knowledge, learning, and remaining questions after introducing a topic. The K stands for the question, what do I know? The W is for, what do I want to know? The L is for, what did I learn? And the Q is for, what questions do I still have? Here is an image of what the graphic organizer looks like all together. So, how do you use the KWLQ chart? Let's take a look at an example using the topic of professions and jobs for one's future. You can have students draw their own KWLQ chart on paper or provide a paper copy for them. First, tell students to select a job or profession they are interested in pursuing in their future. In the first column, the K column, they will answer the question about what they know about the profession. Students may respond with facts or details they know, such as work hours, skills needed, and types of tasks completed. For example, if a student selects medical doctor as the profession they are interested in for their future, they might write down that they know doctors work long hours at times, must earn a medical degree, and have a specialty skill such as surgery, pediatrics, or cardiology. Another way to approach the first column of the KWLQ chart is to use the word think within the first question. This strategy invites students to include all of their thoughts about a topic and not just the facts that they know, because knowledge is built over time and starts with one's own ideas. For example, you could ask, what do you think you know about the profession of an educator or a teacher at a university? This question opens students' responses to include personal thoughts and ideas in addition to definitive knowledge. In the second column, they will write down questions about what they want to know more about the profession. This could include questions they might want to ask somebody in the profession or are just curious about. For the profession of a medical doctor, they might ask, how many years of higher education would someone need to complete in order to become a surgeon? Having students complete the first two columns of the KWLQ chart is one way to introduce a lesson or a unit where students will be exploring more about professions and learning targeted grammar applications, such as the future and conditional verb tenses. Following this introductory activity, students can learn more about specific professions by watching videos, reading texts, and hearing from a guest speaker. Then following the lesson, students complete the column about what they learned. For example, students will write they learned a medical doctor might work more than 8 hours a day, needs great communication skills for speaking to patients, and completes between 8 to 12 years of higher education. It is likely that students may still have more questions, so the final column is for any new or remaining questions they may have after they receive the content of the lesson. For example, students will write, which universities are the best for studying medicine in my country? Here is an image of the entire KWLQ chart with these examples. The KWLQ chart is a graphic organizer that teachers can use to quickly assess student comprehension and engagement within a lesson or activity because it can be easily collected or shared with a teacher. Thanks for watching and learning. Now let's go do it.